Why hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is MR.CRABBY and today I want to share with you 6 ways you can try to start generating passive income online. Number 1 is YouTube AdSense. I personally consider this a great way to earn passive money online because you can literally earn hundreds of dollars each single month as long as your video keep getting views. Of course, you still need to get those views in the first place, so you need to know how to attract viewers to your videos and keep them watching till the end, as YouTube's algorithm is heavily influenced by watch time. So let's assume your video is already getting decent views. How much you earn is related to your CPM. CPM stands for cost per milestone and it basically means how much you would earn per 1,000 views. Your CPM can be as high as $15 per 1,000 views or as low as $0.1 per 1,000 views. There are a lot of factors into play when calculating CPM, such as which countries your viewer come from or the category of your videos. Some categories might have higher CPMs than others. So, if your CPM is $2 per 1,000 views and your video get 100,000 views, you would be earning approximately $200 on that video. Now, imagine if each month you keep getting these views. That's $200 per month for a video you made a while ago and forgot about. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. This is probably one of the popular ways to earn passive income online. With affiliate marketing, you can earn some decent amount of money if you manage to convince people to buy the product or service you are promoting. Affiliate marketing could work really well for you if you have a blog or a YouTube channel with decent traffic. With affiliate marketing, you could earn a lot of money from product sales, and there are a lot of affiliate networks that you can join and start promoting products. For example, Amazon Associates is one of the most popular affiliate programs where you can earn hundreds of dollars each month by promoting their products. Some people might argue that this is not passive income since you need to produce the content on which you promote the products, but that's not true. I mean, of course, at first you need to invest some time on producing quality content, but after that, the content you made would probably still be getting you money years to come. That is how passive income works. Number 3, we have online courses and digital products. Those two are kind of the same thing, as technically anything sold online could be considered a digital product, including an online course. Now, you might ask, why is this considered to be passive income? Well, let me explain. If you invest your time in creating a digital product that you promote either through YouTube videos or your blog, and you start getting views, and now you are getting sales, even though you are not actively promoting the product yourself. To give you a more of a practical example, imagine creating an online course and selling it for $2,000. If you make 5 sales each month, that's $10,000 per month in passive income. Number 4, we have paid sponsorships. Paid sponsorships are a good way to earn passive income online. And no, I'm not talking about brand deals, although that is also a great way to make money online. Those are often one-time deals and not ongoing. What I'm talking about are long-term sponsorships, or also called partnerships, where a company would offer you monthly revenue for something in return, like using the products on all your videos, for example. I think this is a great way to earn money passively, but I know it could be hard enough to find such opportunities, as you would need a huge following, probably in the millions. Number 5, we have stock footage. There are a lot of websites where you can sell your stock footage. You can possibly make hundreds of dollars each month selling your photos or videos on these websites, and it can be completely passive. Another reason I like this method is because oftentimes you can sell the same photo or video across multiple websites, which allow for higher profits from your content. Number 6, we have membership websites. This is yet another good way to earn money passively online, and the way it works is that you will be paid a set amount of money per month. This is a great way if you have some content you wish to put behind a paywall where people need to subscribe to watch your content. I will leave all links to the websites I mentioned in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you'd like to help the channel grow, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.